Hahn Air is the leading indirect distribution specialist for airlines. We therefore believe that it is our duty to invest in a sustainable future and support social projects around the world. To mitigate climate change, Hahn Air partners with veritree, a company enabling and tracking global restoration projects. In our Hahn Air forests in Kenya and Madagascar, we will plant over 150,000 mangrove trees. The tree population, once matured, will sequester for an average of 32,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide. Let's take a look at our social initiatives. Already in 2012, we founded our Hahn Air Foundation. Since then, we have been able to collect already more than €3.8 million and support over 30 social projects around the world. In addition, the Hahn Air team is engaging in a variety of initiatives designed to reduce our carbon footprint. Talk to us if you are interested in joining our efforts.